Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we're not wasting any time. We're jumping straight into this hair. Guys, this hair was sent to me by Lush Wigs, and guys, this is their ombre honey blonde 13x6 lace frontal human hair wig, and this is the body wave style. And guys, I did get it in a 24-inch, and I think it's 150% density, and it is a medium cap size. So guys, I already have my wig cap on. Like, I didn't even do my own wig cap today. My cousin was here and she, did my wig cap for me real quick. So y'all see how neat that is. Y'all already know. So I already have one layer of glue on. So what I did, I'm just going in with another layer. Like, this hair is just so amazing, guys. Like, the hair comes pre-bleached. Wait, let me show y'all the goodies that came. So I got these combs, these clips, some hairpins, and this nice satin cap to sleep in. And guys, I was using the bold hold glue. So back to the hair, I literally just added 2 layers of glue, and then I just placed the hair on the glue, and then just added shifted my wig until it fit where it needed to go. Like, guys, I didn't measure my hair previously. I didn't do anything because straight out of the box I was blown away by this wig. It's so beautiful. The ombre is amazing. I love the way how they did the coloring, guys. The lace is beautiful. Like, the lace just blends. Like, look at that. I still have the extra lace on, and do you see, you can tell where the lace is or where my skin is. Like, it melts amazing. I did not have to add any makeup to the lace. I didn't have to do nothing extra. Guys, this wig is a 10. I hardly ever say anything is a 10, but this wig is a 10. Like, look at that. All I did was cut the ear tabs off, and the wig fit perfectly. Like, I didn't even measure my wig before I added the glue. I usually do that, but once like I opened the box and I saw how great the wig looked, I'm just like, listen, we're just going straight into this. I'm not even trying it on, and it actually worked, guys. The lace, even though it's just like a medium brown lace, I think it's like normal lace, but to me this looks beyond normal. This looks like some HD business. Like, the lace melted. Like, it melted so much into my skin. Like, look at that side with the lace on and the other side without, and you can't even tell that there's still lace on. It's so beautiful, guys. I didn't have to pluck this hair at all. When I tell you I was blown away by this wig, I really was. And I like that the fact that it has a nice natural density. It is Brazilian hair, so you can color, you can do whatever you want to. I just love how it's colored. Guys, the fact that it comes with baby hairs already, like the baby hairs were already like parted out for you. It actually comes with them like in the shape. So if you know nothing about like edges and stuff, like this wig, honey, you gotta get it. So it was super easy. Like, look at that scalp. Sis, please show me where the lace is, because I don't see any. Like, lace does not go here. This looks so good. When I say this is like one of the best wigs I've had in a very long time, I'm just talking about how great the lace is. I don't have to add any makeup. Like, I didn't add anything. Y'all seen the video. Like, y'all are watching this right now. I added nothing to this hair, and you know it's a bomb ass unit because I'm super hyped talking about this. Like, it looks so good. The fact that I didn't do anything, look at the lace, look at the color. I didn't even add makeup to the part. Like, I literally wore this and it had no makeup in the part, and it looks super bomb. And I'm just like going on my flat iron, not my flat iron, my hot comb, to just like lay the hair. And I added some edge wax, I think it's called, just to like lay the hair. And then I'm literally just going over top the baby hairs that they already made for me, and I'm just using some mousse just to do that. So I'm using just like a little bit of mousse just to swoop the edges, just as how it's already like done for me. And what I ended up doing, guys, the day after, when I actually wore this hair, I did trim the baby hairs just a little bit, but the baby hairs were perfect. The density, just everything, it wasn't thick. And guys, let me tell you how the knots are pre-bleached. Do you see like any black knots on this? Like, please, like, zoom in, pause the video and just like zoom in, baby. There are no like black knots at the front. It's not double knotted, no, it's single knots all the way through. Like, it feels so real. Like, literally it's coming out of my scalp. When I tell you this hair was done perfectly, like, I have not gotten a wig in a very long time that I didn't have to do a lot of work to. Like, this was such a quick install. Like, look at that. And guys, in the previous clip, I did try curling half of the hair only because I wanted to, you know, cut the work down for me the other morning, because this is the next day. I installed my hair that evening, and then this is the next day when I'm actually wearing it. So the curls that I did on one side, I kind of pinned them up just to have the curls stay. That didn't really work out for me because I slept bad and it fell apart. So I actually went in and I recurled, like, you know, the rest of the hair. But guys, do you see my part though? There's no makeup on the part. I have not had a hair that comes like this, where, oh well, a wig or whatever, that I don't have to put any makeup. Like, there's no makeup on the lace. And I keep saying that because y'all not need to understand how amazing this hair is. And shout outs to Lush Wig for sending me this wig. Like, damn, I'm about to stop accepting units that are not like bomb, because a lot of these wigs I be getting, they want me to work like some magic and fix everything. But this though, sweetie, if you get this, you not gonna be disappointed. Like, this is worth the coins, I swear to God. It feels so soft. It wasn't shedding. Even with the color, it was not shedding, and the hair feels super soft. And usually with colored hair, it dries out really fast. This one, I didn't find it to do that. I literally just added like a little bit of serum only once in the hair after I was done, and that was it. As I said, I didn't do any plucking. I didn't add any makeup. I only added just like 2 layers of the bold hold, and that's it. And then I just used my hot comb on the parting, and it was already pretty flat, guys. Like, the hot comb only just, like, you know, melted it more, but it was pretty flat. Usually I have to add glue, then I would spray and probably like go back in with more spray to get this hair to melt. Baby, this hair melted with little to no effort. This is the fastest I've ever done my hair. And now it got me thinking, like, I just need good hair with good lace. Better yet, it will cut the time in doing my hair in half. Like, if I have good lace, it makes it really easy. So this is the hair, and I'm just like combing it out because sis was ready to like go out. Well, not go out. I went to take like photos and stuff after this, so I really headed out. And this hair did hold up the entire day. When I got home, my hair was still looking bomb. The lace did not move. And yeah, I really love this hair. All the links for this hair will be down in the description box below. Please check it out. Please, like, go check them out, because this wig is just bomb, okay? This wig's a 10, and I never give 10. So this wig is just like, So I'm trying to get like some layers going on. So what I did, I just like combed the curls out a little bit. Then I just went in and I trimmed the hair down just a little, just to give me that kind of like layer kind of vibe. I'm not like a professional in terms of cutting hair, but I was just really trying to give it like, you know, some more like volume. But yeah, guys, this is the hair. I have nothing bad to say. I have literally zero critique on this hair. That hardly ever happens. I don't think that has ever happened to me. But yeah, guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like check them out. Be sure to like get you one of these fire ass units. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If this is your first time, like this video, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and be a part of the family. Like, y'all don't want to miss out on anything that I do upload, because it's fire as hell over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys oh so much. And yeah, watch me work this hair, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.